Hello everyone, and those of you who are thinking about buying a condo and using FHA insured financing to purchase that condo. Let's talk about FHA approved condos and also getting an FHA loan for a condo. Now, in order to get an FHA loan for a condo, that condo needs to be FHA approved. In the past, the entire condo complex needed to be approved, and that's the easiest and fastest way to do it. However, if the whole condo complex is not approved, as of 2019, the guidelines have changed whereby you can get the unit that you're purchasing to be approved, but that's just a process that you and your lender are going to have to go through. So let's talk about what makes a condo FHA eligible, and I'm going to read that down here right from the article. So the condo project must be fully constructed and completed, meaning if it's under construction and you're buying the first units that are available, but they're still building the other half of the condo complex, that's not going to be FHA eligible, not at least until they are complete. A maximum of 60% of the condo project can be used as retail or commercial space. So in some instances, there are condos that have stores down below, so it can't be more than 60% of the project cannot be retail or commercial. At least 25% of the units must be owner-occupied and not rented. In Florida, for example, and some other states, you have it's a touristy type of area, and a lot of the places are being rented out, Airbnb or just to families that want to rent for the year. So at least 25% must be owner-occupied. 10% of the homeowners association dues must go in a reserve account for emergencies. And that's often where condos lose their eligibility and they become non-warrantable or not FHA eligible, which is they don't have a reserve account for emergencies set aside. So what does that look like? Let's say your association, your HOA fee is $500 a month, and there are I don't know, 100 units, so 500 times 100 is what, 50,000? So they'll need to have 10% in a reserve account, which is $5,000. So if they don't have that, then it won't be FHA eligible, the condo. A maximum of 15% of the units can be delinquent on their dues by more than 60 days. This you don't have control of. So if the other renters or the other owners of the other condos are late on their association dues, then the condo complex is not FHA eligible. And the HOA needs to have at least 2 years worth of reserve funds to cover repairs, just in case that happens. The condo committee cannot have the ability to approve or deny potential renters. So there are a lot of places that do that, especially in not condo complexes, but where there are single-family homes and they have an HOA. Oftentimes they want to go and take the renter and have the renter approved by a committee. So if your condo complex is doing that, then the condo complex will not be FHA eligible. And the condo project must be fully insured. So there's also there's a website that I'm going to link in the article down below. So first there's an article I'm going to link to where you can read more about getting approved for an FHA loan for a condo. And within that article, I have a link to a HUD website where you could search for the previously approved condo complexes around the United States. So you can put an address in and see if the place you're interested in is already FHA approved. We're going to do that for you. Okay. So now to get approved for a mortgage for a condo for FHA, you still need to pass all the basic requirements, which is 2-year work history, and it is okay if you've changed jobs within that 2-year period. At least a 500 credit score, either a 3.5% or a 10% down payment, depending on how high your credit score is. Be able to fully document your income for the last 2 years. Those are just the basic requirements. So if you'd like to speak to someone because you're thinking about buying a condo, just contact us below at FHAlenders.com. Again, the link will be down below in the description and in the first pinned comment. any questions you could ask also in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.